But first, another cluster of COVID-19 cases at a Northeast Ohio nursing home. Tonight, we hear from one woman who couldn't believe what she found when visiting her sister.
It's one of the worst things I've ever been through.
That Lorain County nursing home battling more than 60 cases of COVID-19 inside its walls.
Tonight, 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll has the story of one woman who found her sister unresponsive during a window visit.
According to state health department numbers, no nursing home in Northeast Ohio has more COVID-19 cases than O'Neill Healthcare here in North Ridgeville. Family members of those infected with COVID-19 walk to their loved ones' windows, hoping for news, any reassurance things are getting better inside O'Neill Healthcare on Center Ridge Road. For weeks, Kathy Becker was one of those people, her sister Susan, a resident here.
At first, she could talk to me on the phone at the window, and then she got to the point where she was so weak she couldn't even pick up her phone.
After dealing with a stuffy nose, chills, and coughing, Susan was tested for COVID-19. Last Friday, her sister says she tested positive for the virus.
Her whole hallway, when she first was tested positive, she was telling me they've got signs on every door, watch for droplets, so we think there was one room that didn't have a sign, we think almost everybody in there has it.
Becker says after testing positive, things went downhill quickly. On Tuesday, Kathy couldn't believe what she found looking through her sister's window.
Oh, very scary. I've been so stressed out, and the worst thing was going to the window and finding her unresponsive.
Susan rushed to the hospital.
It's one of the worst things I've ever been through.
In a statement today, O'Neill's administrator says all residents are now being tested to better understand how to care for residents and staff. The nursing home says 65 residents in the 150-bed nursing home tested positive and are being treated inside, although the administrator says half aren't showing any symptoms of the virus. State figures show another 20 workers here also have COVID-19. For Becker, the entire thing seems surreal. She says her sister is showing signs of improvement now that she's in the hospital. And to those who still don't believe the risk of COVID-19 is real, she has this message.
Do not think this is a joke. Those people are very, very sick. This is very bad. And, personally, I'm very angry at people that aren't taking it seriously, because they're killing people by spreading it.
Becker says she hasn't figured out if her sister will return here to O'Neill when she's released from the hospital. She says that's something they'll have to work through together. In North Ridgeville, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.
The 5 on Your Side investigators have created a searchable database of COVID-19 cases in nursing homes. Go to news5cleveland.com to see how many cases long-term care facilities are now reporting.
Just in tonight, the Chagrin Falls man who hoarded